All right, y'all, here we go, getting ready for Monday. Going to cook for St. Jude's over at Bo Shin over in Covington, Louisiana. I'm bringing both of the Loco griddles with me. I got the 36-inch and the 26-inch. Got them all cleaned up, ready to roll out. Check that out. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Here's the other one. Here's the 26-inch. Y'all, what I really like about these two Locos is that they got the smart temperature control on them. So I could simply turn the knob here on 350, and that cook area will be 350 degrees. I could set each cook area of what temperature I wanted at, and that will be the cook surface. So awesome product, awesome design. Got the Shore Spark technology. Love the Locos, guys. It don't get no better than that. Y'all check them out at Home Depot and also here at Southern Boys Outdoors. Y'all come see us at the store. Pick you up one of these. This 26-inch sells for $2.99. 36-inch, $3.99. Y'all come see us. Over and out. Loco, Loco, Loco.